Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to insert image in PDF file. It's really simple and easy. First of all, just open the PDF file. Perhaps it's a logo or something else, it doesn't matter. What you have to do is you have to open a web browser or just come to a new tab. Then you have to search something called I love PDF. Come to ilovepdf.com. This is a really great tool. Then what you need to do is find the option to edit PDF, and then you can select PDF file, tap on it and select your PDF file, then open. Now you can easily edit your PDF file. Now to go and add an image, you need to go to the top and you need to click on add image button. Then your file explorer will open. You need to find the image you want to go and add and click on open. What we can do, we can easily resize it and place it wherever we want. And that's pretty much it. That's how to insert image in PDF file. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.